Okay, so I'm gonna take you on a tour of our house here in the village. There's Jess. Okay, so we have to walk down. This is all mud. Completely mud. And it's been raining too, so we get mud caked on our shoes, and it's really hard to walk. Jess usually ends up walking barefoot. No. Take off our shoes, climb there. This is our bamboo porch. And this is our room. And as you can see through the floor. And this is where we all sleep. All the walls and the floors are bamboo.